Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new leads from Google Lead Form to Zoho CRM. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Google Lead Form to other systems. For example, in Zoho CRM you can create new transactions and conveniently interact with them in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Select the system Zoho CRM. Next, select the action, Create Deal. At this stage you need to connect your Zoho CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you must specify the login and password for your Zoho CRM personal account. At this stage, you need to grant ApiX-Drive access to work with your Zoho CRM account. When the connected login appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this point, you see Zoho CRM fields for creating new deals. You can assign variables from Google Lead Form to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also enter data manually. To go to the next line, use Enter. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of data that will be transferred to Zoho CRM in the form of new deals with each new lead from Google Lead Form. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Zoho CRM. After successful sending, go to Zoho CRM and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the setup of Zoho CRM as a data destination. Now you need to enable auto-update and select an update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.